So here we will be learning doing a class activity based on the practical activity, Google Docs, creating a school newsletter. So here you will be learning text formatting, changing colors, inserting images, using columns, using section breaks, and page setup in Google Docs. So step number one, for this task is you need to, open your browser, and then you need to proceed towards, going to Google Docs and click on blank document. And step number two is, you can rename the file, you can at the top left, here it will be written untitled document, so you can rename it, or you can use school newsletter, or you can write practical activity. Okay, and then we will be adding a main title. So here let's say the main title is my school monthly news, and make sure to select it as a title. You can go for applying title here from this tab, title, and then title. Okay, so this is adding the main title, and then you can change the font size. Okay, now how to change the font size? Just click here on it, and let's say make it 24, and you can click here the bold button, okay, so that it becomes bold. You can also change its text color, with the help of this a icon. Okay, you can choose a blue color or any color as per your requirement. Now you can also make this as an alignment, a center alignment, left or a right. So for title we always have a center alignment, so I will just making it as a center alignment. So here these are the more tools, and here you have to find align and indent, and from there you can go for center align. Now let's move forward with adding an introduction paragraph. So here I will just be pressing enter and adding an introduction paragraph. Let's say my paragraph says, welcome to our monthly school newsletter. Here you find school updates, sports news, technology news, and upcoming events. So you can select the paragraph here to change the paragraph color if you want. Okay, so at my end it will be just a white black color, so I will not change it. You can choose dark gray or black. Step number 5 is inserting an horizontal line. So here click on insert, and then you can select horizontal line. So a horizontal line will be inserted here. You can move it up as per your requirement. Now step number 6 is creating two columns. So click where you want columns to start. So for that you can click here on format and then columns, and then you can choose here two columns. So since we are using Microsoft Office Word with the help of Google Docs, so it will change for the whole uh, whole document, the columns. So in order to remove that part, we will be in order to remove this drawback, we will be moving forward with applying a section break before columns. So here, how to apply a section break? First you need to click where the column should start, and then we can go for insert and then break, and then we can go for section break like next page or continues. So you can select here continues. Okay, now we will be trying applying columns. So here insert and then column, format and then column, and then two columns. So as you can see, it has been applied and the upper text has not been disturbed. Okay, so after column content we can click at the end of the column part, and then apply a page break, and again it will be added, right? So here let's say here I have added the two columns. Now it becomes the left column and the right column. So in the left column, let's say here I am writing sports news. Okay, and making this content as bold from bold, and let's say I'm changing the color from this A icon and red color, and font size, let's say I'm changing it to 18, right? So then we can write any sports paragraph below it. So let's move back to the right column here, and in the right column we can type, let's say, technology news. So technology news, you can make it bold, and then you can change the color as per your requirement. Let's say we can change it to green, right? You can change the font size, it's already 18, likewise. Then you can type the technology paragraph. Then if you want to add another section, we can click after columns. Let's first add the paragraphs. Okay, so I will not be typing it, I will just be adding it here for you. Let's say for sport news paragraph, I will just be pressing enter here. Okay, so I'm just removing this for now, and first I'm going for sports news paragraph. Adding a sports paragraph, I can change the color to black, back to black. Okay, I will be adding it here. It has been added, and upper content is same, and this has been added. So this was possible with the help of a page break. Okay, now let's move forward with adding a technology paragraph. So you can see it will move up here. Let's move it a little bit up. So here we can type technology news. Technology news, you can change the color if you want. If you want it to be red only, you can make it red itself. And let's add something onto it. For that you can change the black color. Okay, so I just need to change the font as well, because otherwise it will disturb. So here you can change the font like this. So let me make it down. This has to come up. So this is all about spacing and this stuff, right? So you need to be careful about this, and it will come with the help of a practice. Okay, so I'm just going to the next column. Because you have to press enter, right, to come here. Technology news, move it a little down, and again you have to press space, okay, to come to the down, so that it will be in the same line, or you can press enter at the same time. And let's move our cursor here so that it will be in the same line. Okay, so you can see for the technology paragraph it has been added. Okay, so this is how you can work with the same, as well as I told you earlier, like it's not possible in Google Docs, but with the help of something like section break, column break, that you can find it from here with the help of break. Here we have to apply column break. If you want section continues as per your requirement, you can add it. So this is something relating to adding the another section, break, section break, next page or the same page. Okay, so then this basically creates a new section. So you can make it heading like purple, font size as per your requirement. So this is how you can proceed with this stuff relating to break part. I hope it is clear. So you just need to remember that section breaks helps us divide our document into different parts, so we can apply different layouts without affecting the whole page. So through this activity you also practiced the formatting skills like bold text, font size, alignment, and organizing content in a creative way. So always try to make your document neat, readable, and attractive. So these skills will help you in your future school projects and presentations.